Good morning, my name is Dr. Joel Rowlett, and I will be your statistics instructor for the next several weeks. I know I'm probably not supposed to say this, but statistics is my favorite subject to teach. Used to be calculus, but once I started teaching statistics, I began to realize that not only is it probably the most applied course in mathematics, due to the wealth of data that we are constantly being inundated with, but I just like the challenge of it. It's a totally different math subject, and yeah, so over the course of the years, it has emerged as my favorite. But I want to start off by welcoming you and showing you some of the basics of the Canvas area to help you get around. This is, of course, the main page, and have a syllabus here that goes through the course expectations. If you click on that, my contact information, my email address, jrowlett@south.edu. If you need to give me a call or a text, that's fine, 615-952-1517. And I'm pretty good about responding to text and voice messages off and on throughout the day, although most of our office hours tend to be Mondays and Wednesdays from 6 to 8 a.m. and then Sundays from 5 to 6 p.m. I try not to stick to those office hours only. I like to be available some outside of those, so don't be surprised if I reply immediately, but worst case scenario, certainly less than 24 hours. Another thing that would interest you would be, let's see, we have the modules here. Click on modules. Computer seems to be a little slow, but it takes you through everything we work on throughout the week. Right? We have a weekly overview, instructional resources, we have videos, PowerPoints, review quizzes, and then we have our weekly assignments. Okay, in the weekly assignments, you'll have, typically it's like a homework assignment. Then you'll have a week quiz that is graded. So the review quiz is not for a grade, it's for practice, but then you will do the regular quiz each week as well. And we have it pretty much summarized in sort of a nice, neat package for you week by week. The discussion boards. We have 3 discussions in this course. The first one is just a course introduction. Pay attention, if you don't mind, and make sure that you do, not only do you address all of the questions and the rubric requirements, but make sure you pay attention to the word length. Some assignments ask for 150 words or 75 words, and some students don't earn full credit, right? Because they don't get anywhere near close to that. So if you would work with me on that, that would certainly help you to get full credit. Again, we have 3 discussion boards for this class. And your assignments, this is one of the last things I'll talk about here. If you click on the assignments, these are supposed to be in order, although sometimes when they transfer, they get out of order, so just pay close attention to that. But all of your assignments, all of your discussion board activities, quizzes, final exam information, you have practice quizzes that you can do. Again, if they're review, they're not going to count toward your grade, but they certainly do help prepare for those real quizzes, right? In closing, I'm going to go back to the main page and let's see, the faculty biography here. I like to show everybody my sidekick because she's been around for a while. This is Ellie, and she's pushing 16 years old. And normally, if I'm working in the office, she's here by my side, so I call her my sidekick. Not the friendliest of cats because I guess she's gotten older. She just likes to be at home. And she doesn't like to be bothered very much, but this is my bio. If you want to read that, that would be fine. I do want to also mention that I have 6 grandchildren, which is an awesome thing. I had all of them over here just the other day, actually. But yeah, that's pretty much the course in a nutshell. And if you ever have any questions or concerns, feel free to reach out to me. Thank you.